Have you ever wondered why do organizations keep facing the same quality problems every year? Why do audits create panic? Why do customer complaints keep returning? Why do good people work hard at over quality continues? And why is that money companies spend so much money on quality but still struggling to build a quality culture? For more than 23 years, I have worked inside manufacturing organizations. I have seen factories with world-class equipment, but poor systems. I have seen highly experienced people working in complete firefighting mode. I have seen companies preparing for audits for weeks only to return to old habits the very next day. And one realization kept becoming stronger. The problem was never quality. The problem was how organizations understood quality. That realizations became the reason I wrote this book. Hi, I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swadesh Quality Management Services. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something very personal. This is not a technical training session. It is not about ISO clauses. It is not about lean tools. Today, I want to tell you why I wrote my first book. Quality is a daily management system, not a department. I will share the experiences that inspired this book, the mistake I repeatedly saw across industries, and the message I hope every leader, manager, engineer, supervisor, and business owner takes from it. So let's begin. My journey started on the shop floor, like many quality professionals. I believed quality meant inspection, checking products, finding defects, rejecting bad material, preparing reports, handling complaints, closing CAPAs, preparing for audits. That was my understanding of quality. But as the years passed, I noticed something. Despite all these activities, the same problems kept returning, the same complaints, the same audit findings, the same firefighting. Something was missing. The biggest lesson I learned over time, I realized something very important. Quality problems rarely begin in the quality department. They begin much earlier. They begin with unclear leadership, poor planning, weak processes, lack of ownership, poor communication, inadequate training, no daily review, and inconsistent execution. By the time quality finds the defect, the problem has already happened. Quality is only seeing the result, not the cause. That completely changed my thinking. Why most organizations struggle? I have visited many factories, different industries, different products, different customers, but surprisingly, the problems were almost the same. People blamed operators. Operator blamed maintenance. Maintenance blamed production. Production blamed purchase. Purchase blamed suppliers. Quality blamed everyone. And leadership wondered why improvement was not happening. Nobody owned the entire system. Everyone owned only their department. That is where organizations begin losing control. The audit mindset. One thing bothered me the most. Many organizations become serious about quality only before an audit. Suddenly, documents are updated, areas are cleaned, training records appear, meetings are conducted, everyone becomes busy. For a few days, everything looks perfect. Then the audit finishes and everything slowly returns to normal. I ask myself, is this real quality? Or are we simply preparing for an inspection? That question stayed with me for years. Quality should be daily. Real quality doesn't happen once in a year. It doesn't happen before certification. It doesn't happen only during customer visits. Quality happens every morning, every shift, every meeting, every decision, every process, every conversation. That is why I say quality is a daily management system, not a department. Why I chose this title? Many people asked me, why such a bold title? Because I wanted people to stop and think, Most people immediately associate quality with the quality department. But quality belongs to everywhere. Leadership creates quality. Design creates quality. Purchasing creates quality. Production creates quality. Maintenance creates quality. Stores create quality. HR creates quality. Even finance influences quality. Every function contributes. Quality is the outcome of how the entire organization works together. This book is not about ISO. Some people think this is another ISO book. It is not. Yes, ISO is important. Standards are valuable. Certification has its place. But certification alone does not build quality. Daily disciplines build quality. Daily reviews build quality. Ownership build quality. Process thinking builds quality. Continuous improvements build quality. That is what this book focused on. Everything written in this book comes from practical experience, real practice, real people, real challenges, real mistakes, real improvements. I intentionally avoided unnecessary theory. Instead, I wanted readers to feel like they were walking through a factory, seeing problems, understanding causes, and discovering practical solutions. Because that is how people learn best. Why I created the Swadesh framework? While working with different organizations, I noticed a pattern. Successful companies followed similar principles. They engaged people. They designed robust systems. They governed consistently. And they executed with discipline. That inspired the Swadesh Edge framework. Edge stands for engage, design, govern, execute. Simple words. But when practiced consistently, they transform organizations. Who should read this book? This book is not only for quality managers, it is for CEOs, business owners, plant heads, production managers, maintenance engineers, HR professionals, team leaders, supervisors, fresh engineers, even students preparing to enter manufacturing. Because quality is everyone's responsibility. What I want readers to feel when someone finishes this book, I don't want them to simply gain knowledge. I want them to see their organizations differently. I want them to ask better questions. Instead of asking, who made the mistake? Ask, why did the system allow the mistake? Instead of asking, who is responsible? Ask, how can we improve the process? That shift changes everything. This book is much bigger than publishing a book. My dream is simple. I want organizations to stop accepting firefighting as normal. I want leaders to build systems, not dependence on individuals. I want quality professionals to become business partners, not document controllers. I want employees to feel proud of the systems they work in. And I want Indian manufacturing to become known worldwide, not only for low cost, but for operational excellence. So my message to quality professionals, if you work in quality, please remember this. Your job is not only to find defects, your job is to improve systems. Don't become the quality police. Become a quality coach. Help people succeed. Build trust, build capability, build ownership. That creates sustainable improvement. Message to business owners. If you own a business, please don't ask, how is the quality department performing? Instead, ask, how is my management system performing? Because your organizations will always produce exactly what your system is designed to produce. If the system improves, result improves. If there is one message I want every reader to remember, it is this. Quality is not a department. Quality is not paperwork. Quality is not inflation. Quality is not certification. Quality is how an organization thinks. Quality is how leaders lead. Quality is how people work. Quality is how decisions are made. Quality is how problems are solved. And above all, quality is a daily management system. That is why I wrote this book. And I sincerely hope it helps organizations move from firefighting to sustainable excellence. Thank you for watching. If this message connected with you, I invite you to read my book. Quality is a daily management system, not a department. I believe it will change the way you think about quality forever. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your colleagues and leadership team, and subscribe to the channel for practical insights on quality management, operational excellence, lean manufacturing, ISO management systems, daily management, and business transformation. I'm Sagar Naik, founder of Swadesh Quality Management Services. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.